Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm currently on my way to Marina Mall. It's something we do almost every Sunday. We as car guys go and hang out there sometimes and just record content, hang out, you know. So I got a call that some of the boys already started making their way there. So I'm making my way there now. I should be there in the next 10 minutes. So stay tuned. I don't know how this video is gonna go, but hopefully it's great. You see that by the thumbnail if it goes great. So yeah. And another thing, I see some people asking what exactly I've done to my car. I'll make a separate video on that, exactly what exactly I have done to the car to make it sound and move the way it does. So stay tuned for that video. Yeah. So I think I've encountered my first problem. I rolled my windows down and I think the under tray of my car has kind of slacked a bit, so while I'm driving it's scraping the ground. I need to sort that out right now. So this is what I'm talking about. If you can see that it's come off.
Actually, it's indeed.
So this is the issue right there. As you can see, it's slacked a bit, so I need to go and sort it out. But I'm at Marina Mall right now with the boys, the M5, my baby, and then Lester's 2.0T Accord. He's done so much to it, maybe we'll get him to speak on the car as well. Yeah, I told you I'm gonna do a video on my car. And this is Ahmed. So sick. Today Nana didn't ring. John G, what's up? And then over here is the M3. Do you think I should get an M? I'm considering something for my next car. I don't know whether to get an M or I should get a 340 with a B58 and build it. I think that would be very sick for the channel because the B58 has a very big platform. So let's, you know, brainstorm on that. And then when I make my decision, I'll let you guys know. I might just keep the car and then go along with the plan I have already. The rest of the boys are here. Come and tell us what you've done to your car so far. So as I said, Lester has the 2.0T Accord over there. So what have you done?
I'm boldly saying that this is the fastest Accord in Accra.
Yeah?
Ghana, West Africa.
Yeah?
If you don't believe me, come and find out for yourself. If you don't come and find out soon enough, I will solid that position. Hey.
Actually, I do believe this is the fastest Accord right now.
I have power stop rotors because you know this car naturally the brakes are shit. Yeah. Naturally, so I have one for the back, waiting for two for the front. I have a pre-RL downpipe, pre-RL intercooler, the RV6 down, the RV6 downpipe, and I have a K-tuner with a variable stage 3 valve.
Wow, what's the variable stage 3 like? What does it do?
I don't know. I call it the kill valve because that's what gives me full boost.
Yeah, the sauce.
It gives me the special sauce. Like, that's what makes me stand out from the other Accords.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And you know, in this part of the world, they think like, oh, the Accord is a commuter car, but don't worry. When you bring your AMG and your M, then you come and understand that this is not a normal Accord.
Hey guys, this is not a normal Accord. Like he's gone semi all out. There's still more things he's going to do to it. So as time goes on, we will, you know, get back to the car and then know what he's done. So stay tuned. As I said, I think more people are going to come. So when they come, I'll update you. Yeah, after that underpan, which I've still not fixed, I got a flat tire. I don't get it. I'm a bit annoyed, but what can I do? But I mean, for consolation, look at the M5. F90 M5 come.
I saw the rim long time.
And there we know Ash Motors build, Lloyd's build, tuned by Gintani. He has a carbon hood. Look at the carbon weaves. This is too clean. With carbon down here as well. You can't tell me that you don't like carbon fiber. You can't tell me you don't like carbon fiber. This is excessive carbon fiber, but bruh, look at the weaves. Brother, the whole car in carbon fiber would just be silly. Very silly. And this is the E34 that was airing out. I put the video in there already. I have to like mute some parts because yeah, the music. But his speakers are madness. That's insane. For it to be this loud, with you can hear the bass and everything, that's madness. And then he got these wheels custom made. We already have a video of him driving. If you look up there somewhere, I'll tag that video in there. Hi, bro. All the M's are leaving.
No, not all of them.
Which one? Oh. You know they hear your car.